Important updates today on the weekend for you within the crypto space. So we jump straight onto it. And the first one is something that I haven't talked about, but I do have the answer to all of the quests over on Sanctum. Now, if you want to take part of Sanctum, it's one of the best Solana airdrop, and all you have to do is switch Solana into any Jupiter Sol, Infinite, the Sol, or any others, and you go and earn points as you see over here. I will leave you my referral link down below if you wish to support me. Thank you very much. We are 74 off in our community. If we make it to 100, it would be great and amazing. But talking about this quest over here that you find at the bottom of the page, which are the answers? Well, we got 5 quests as of right now, and the answers are over here. Over on my Twitter, I will leave you a link down below as well, my Twitter, if you want to go and check it out and follow me over there. But the answer to quest 2, you need to answer with Even Star Cathedral. The quest number 3 is the Gloam Tide. Quest 4 is the Earnest Shall Build Our New World. And the quest number 5, which I just knew today, is this Decisive over the Heart of Vo. So these are the 5 answers that you need to go and put over here on the quest. And it is very, very important to go and complete this. So definitely, if you got friends that are doing it, or you got groups of people that you know that are doing this, make sure to let them know the answer because it is super important. You will find them over on my Twitter. Following up, we got the update over on the Quinto airdrop, which I just received. And all you gotta do is go over here, over on your engen.quinto.xyz account. And if you go to your tab over here, over on the portfolio, you don't see anything unless you got Ethereum over. But if you go to the profile or my account situation, you can see here the balance of the airdrop that you should have received or you have already received. Now, this one is not yet tradable, so I will take you the moment when it is the possibility to go and do it. But as of right now, I got 52.4 in the balance, which then will be tradable, and we will see how good or how bad, of course, it will go. But definitely something to keep an eye on. Following up, we got a new proposal over on Stargate, which I do suggest you go and vote for it. Here we got the possibility, as we see, for it's quite a long, but it is regarding the distribution of the RFP, talking about the airdrop situation that we have. They've gone and talked about it yesterday, so make sure to go and vote for it. And I voted for, so that the distribution for the also liquid protocols have the possibility to go and earn the airdrop, as I do be part of it as well. So definitely go and vote. It is nearly a tie, but people are voting for rather than against, as it seems right now, only by 200,000 votes. So it is quite there, but make sure if you want to support, if you're interested in it, make sure to go and vote for it. I will leave a link down below. And talking about something that it is interesting and important to go and do, if you want to receive more LXP point over on the Linea OG Rush, we're going to the voyage, but we also have the possibility to earn more LXP points. We got a few quests, in total 150 points, and the quests are the following: to follow Across on X, retweet, join a Discord server, bridge 50 USDT to the Linea via Across. Now, this one is not retroactive in terms that if you've done it on Jumper or if you've done it on Bungie, for example, it doesn't verify. You need to click over here. You need to be redirected over to the official across.to website over here. And you need to do it through their website. You cannot do it through a second or third party situation like Jumper and Bungie, for example, that allows you to utilize Across for the swaps. You need to do them over on their protocol, as well as bridge $50 of ETH to the Linea via Across. So these are the 2 quests for you to go and earn 50 LXP point. Next, there's another quest as well. By the way, I will leave them link all down below. The second one is to go and follow Mandy Finance on X, retweet, join the Discord server, supply $20 worth of stablecoins into a Mandy pool, and supply $20 worth of LRT assets within a Mandy pool, and to join their Telegram. So this one costs a little bit less. Of course, once you do all of these missions, you can go and take your money back, so you don't have to worry about it. But if you want to go and do it, make sure that you have the disponibility to do it. We got $100 before. We got $40 over here, and then the next one is to follow the LineFi over on Twitter, to retweet it, to join the Discord server, as well as the Telegram servers. Add $20 worth of LP liquid pool to the Links Wrap ETH Yield IQ pool, and lock $10 worth of links into the VLLYNX. So these ones are not free to go and do, none of them. They are mostly for people who have the possibility to go and claim or to go and utilize funds. If you do not have the possibility, do not worry about it. We already participated in the first linear situation. This one is the second one, or better to say, an additional LXP pool that you have the possibility to go and do. So definitely do it if you can do it and if you have the disposable income to go and do it. Following out, we got an update over on Bungie. As we see over here, should we prepare for La Parole to announce the Bungie 2.0? Now, is this the moment that the Bungie airdrop, which by the way, it is one of the airdrop that we have showcased you, and I did showcase you, and I will showcase you once again right here. It was part of our list that I did post on Twitter. I did showcase you over on the video. D-Bridge, Jumper, ZK Sync, Bungie, Magpie, Owalto Finance, Scroll, and Layer Swap. This one is another wallet, for example, or another possibility to go and do swaps and bridges, etc. I do utilize it, and I have utilized it a lot, but the version 2.0 is right here. It is very easy to go and do, just like Jumper, one of the best bridges. Jumper, D-Bridge, and Bungie are the best bridges, in my opinion, out there. But they have a version 2.0. Does this mean that an airdrop situation could be around the corner? Are we looking at a airdrop also over here? It is nothing set in stone yet. Nothing is... they haven't announced, for example, over here, the community should do a barrel to announce the token and the airdrop. So the community is hoping for it, but they did not announce yet anything regarding the airdrop. There is a location for it, all the Twitter, or for example, also one of the guy that I do follow the most, CC2V over here. He does also go and talk about this one, as we see here on one of their big threads. We got Zora, we got Orderly, we got Linea, as well as Jumper and Bungie, which are the top ones. So definitely something to go and consider about, but it could have the possibility for an airdrop coming very soon. Next up, if you are part of the PacMoon community or the Blast community, we talked about PacMoon. I did receive PacMoon airdrop. If you did as well, let me know in the comments below. But they have just gone and won another jackpot over on Blast for the gold multiplier. Now, if you want to go and join, I will leave you the link down below. Let me go and showcase you my page right here. Enter your invite code. I already have a login with wallet. Let me log in with MetaMask over here, and I am connected to it. Let's go and sign the transaction to connect to the Blast ecosystem. As you see over here, I've got 7,000 points over here, and I got 30 gold tokens as well, which then will be equivalent to the airdrop. If you want to join, I will leave you the invite link down below. Come and be part with my community. But it is something nice to do as well. If you were part of the airdrop situation, if you're already part of the gold situation, make sure to go and check for some extra multipliers over on the possibility of the gold jackpot, because you do have the PacMoon, yes, but then you can also receive, and I did receive some NFTs and some extra token to go and add to the deck over here to amplify my multiplier, as well as receiving more gold points. So definitely something to go and look about. Lastly, I want to talk about the Taiko mainnet is now live, as we see here from the Taiko ecosystem. But what does this mean? What does it mean that the Taiko ecosystem is live? Well, the Taiko Scan.network is live. There is no airdrop going live. There is nothing going live. So do not click anything on the comments. If you find anything online, please be careful of it. Do not do anything with it. The Taiko Explorer, the mainnet, is now live. Yes, they are starting to do transaction. Everything is looking good for the future of the airdrop. As of right now, there is no airdrop whatsoever. So please be careful about it, and do not fall for any traps. But Taiko is here. The airdrop will be soon. We received just another Blast Gold Bar token airdrop as well. We got the possibility for the Bungie one. We received the Quinto one, so the weekend was quite lucrative, as well as the Sanctum Best quest over here. As we see, I got 250,000 points as of right now, standing at the 123,000. It is a whales game, mostly Sanctum in my opinion. I did participate simply because I have Solana that I left on the site, so I just put it on Jupiter Solana, which by the way gives you 10% APY, as well as the possibility to go and stake it over here and earn this airdrop. Even if it is $20, $30, is still something better than nothing, which then we can go and utilize for gas fees or simply to increment another airdrop. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.